You ain't watching crap.
Daddy's getting stuck changing Lily's poopy. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you guys the poopy. I'm just going to show you the faces she makes when she's getting changed. Look at the camera, Lily.
Hey, take her socks off.
What's happening? Is Daddy changing you? Tell us all about it. Ooh, it's stinky, ain't it, baby? This is one of 3 diapers that her daddy gets to change because he decided to make Mommy do it when it wasn't her turn. Oh, it's up her leg.
Here, Lily. Smell it. Here. Oh, that's a mess for you. Sorry, your feet's trying to get away from
Whew. Lily's lifting herself in the air.
me. You hold her feet.
Heck no.
Will you get her hand out of her crotch?
Lily, keep your hand away from the booby. Poopy. Ew, it's on Ryan's thumb. Just get it away from her.
Hold her feet.
It's on Ryan.
Hold her feet.
You not write one of the numbers down?
I wrote them all.